On a precarious tree branch deep within the jungle, a dramatic encounter is slowly unfolding. A green Gonyosoma snake is cleverly hidden among the leaves, silently slithering along the bark in tight coils as it approaches its target. Just ahead, a civet stands alert, sniffing the air repeatedly, its eyes narrowed with caution, and then it bares its teeth, letting out a low growl like a cold warning. For a brief moment, both animals freeze, seemingly assessing each other's intentions. Silence blankets the scene, broken only by the rustling of wind through the treetops. Suddenly, the Gonyosoma strikes, lunging forward with lightning speed and sinking its fangs hard into the civet's snout. Caught off guard, the civet quickly slips down beneath the branch to evade, while the snake presses its advantage, relentlessly pursuing and launching a series of rapid attacks. Forced into defense, the civet twists and dodges, clinging tightly to the branch as it waits for the right moment to counterattack. Then, as the snake lunges again, the civet spins around and snaps back with a sharp bite to the snake's head. The battle now reaches its peak, each slash, strike, and bite exchange in the blink of an eye. The branch trembles beneath the flurry of movement from these two wild predators. After several tense minutes of combat, the civet takes a few cautious steps back, still poised and watchful. The Gonyosoma raises its head, watches briefly, then slowly retreats, slithering down the tree and vanishing into the undergrowth. The battle ends without a fatality, but the intensity and raw survival instinct of both creatures create a truly spectacular moment in the heart of the wild.